Tired of the pile of clothes and overspill from your closets? What about the accumulation of items in the back of your drawers, strewn across your office space, or filling up your garage? Would you like to restore order to what you own and to your living space? How about knowing what you have and finding joy in the things you already own? Then stick around for our 3 key takeaways from Marie Kondo's The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up, the Japanese Art of Decluttering. This is Chino from Purposefully Inspired, where hearts and minds combine to help you become purposefully inspired. Today, we share 3 key takeaways from Marie Kondo's The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up. Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the number of clothing items that are all over your home? So have I. We so often accumulate items, many of which no longer serve a purpose, just adding to the mental inventory and clutter of our lives. So let's dig into the 3 key takeaways from Marie Kondo's The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up. Takeaway number 1, batch process. Start with gathering all of your clothes, and Marie Kondo means all your clothes. You know you have items in closets, likely in a storage bin, possibly in another space such as an attic, garage, or other room. Gather everything. All of one type, in this case, start with clothes. Marie recommends starting with all of your clothes, so then and only then will you see how many items you actually have. Key takeaway number 2. Take each item out. Hold it in your hand and ask yourself, whilst holding the item, does this item bring you joy? If the item really has purpose and you use it, then with gratitude, put it aside to be placed in a proper location for use later. If the item feels like it no longer brings you joy and no longer serves you, thank the item for finding you and send it into a donation pile to bring others joy on its journey. I found this step to be a beautiful gesture of appreciation and gratitude. Key takeaway number 3, organize, but only after discarding items. Organizing by category is key to the KonMari method. For clothes, an amazing suggestion by Marie is to fold clothes so that they can stand vertically. Here's an example of that. This enables you to see exactly what you have and to access it easily. Bonus tip: save shoeboxes and shoebox tops. They act as excellent storage dividers. I find boxes for sunglasses and iPhone box lids to be excellent for arranging small items, including belts, watches, and other items intended to be sorted. Let us know in the comment section below what you liked best about this video. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and share with others. And thanks for watching.